Now we have the sponge and the carbon. The sponge is going to last a long time. It's very simply just cleaning it with the faucet. You don't have to worry about being too careful here. You just kind of want to rinse that. Now, in your aquarium, this is going to be pretty dirty. You're going to see a lot of dirt just coming out and just being cleansed from the sponge itself. These are just particles, food particles from overfeeding, fish waste, the bigger, larger particles that this traps. So we're going to have that clean. And with the carbon, we're going to use this is important that you actually kind of physically kind of squish the carbon. This will help recharge the carbon. You can clean carbon about one time. So we can only clean this once, maybe twice. After that, you'll have to dispose of it because that means it's spent. You won't be able to use it anymore. But you're good to clean it at least one time. So you want to use a nice physical, get a lot of friction here. That's going to charge the carbon pellets themselves so that they can take on more impurities and chemical imbalances and so on. So we're going to kind of squeeze and wash at the same time. After we've done that, maybe 2 minutes, probably good enough, and we're good to go.